I'm Chef Jordan, AKA the Beef Queen, and this is how you make an Heirloom Elote Salad. For this salad, we have our heirloom corn, we have avocados, I have arugula, some pickled onions, a chili lime sauce, Cotija cheese, and some paprika to go on top. So this corn, I have already blanched this. So I brought some water with some salt to a boil and cooked it for about 10 minutes until it's tender. Place our corn directly over the fire to get some color on it. Now, if you don't have a gas stove, you can do this in a pan. We're just looking to get some char on our corn. It adds some smoky flavor to our dish. So while that is going, we are going to make our lime avocado mousse. Yes, it will pop. It's like popcorn. So we were going to get our avocados and we are going to scoop them into a bowl. Ooh, scared me. And we will flip this. You can see how it's starting to get that nice char on it. So we're gonna add the rest of this avocado. So inside my bowl here, I'm gonna put some lime juice. So we are going to use a whisk and we're going to mash up our avocados in here. You can make this a couple different ways. If you want to put it in a blender, you can put it in a blender. If you want to put it in a food processor, you can put it in a food processor, or you can make it by hand. You just want to really mash up your avocados, and you want to make sure your avocados are nice and soft and ripe. If they're too green, they won't mash. This one's good. We're going to pull that off. We're going to finish these two. And we are going to continue to mash our avocado. So now that we have our avocado, we're going to pull our corn off. What we're going to do next is cut the corn off the cob. So for this, you just want to put the flat end on the bottom, and we're just going to slice down the cob. So this salad is a play on elote, which is street corn. One of my favorite dishes is street corn. Traditionally, you can get it on the cob, or you can just get it off the cob. And they use mayo and cheese, Cotija cheese, and you have a little bit of paprika. The mayonnaise usually has some kind of smoky paprika in it, and it's absolutely one of my favorites. So this is a play on that. We're making a salad with it. So instead of using the mayo, the creaminess will come from the avocado, but we're still using our corn. We're adding some arugula and some onions, and then the chili oil will act as that smokiness that you would get from your smoky mayo. So we are going to grab a mixing bowl of your liking. We are going to get our arugula over here. The reason why we chose to pick arugula is it's kind of peppery, so it goes really well with our street corn salad. I like to put some pickled red onions and our corn. We are going to mix this up with a little drizzle of lime juice and some of our chili oil. I'm just gonna pour this over top. And we are going to give it a good mix. To plate our salad, we are going to get our bowl, get our avocado mousse on the bottom of the plate, give it a nice smear in the middle. I am going to get our salad. We're going to place it right in the middle. Get all these extra goodies. If you're looking for something a little bit lighter, refreshing, this is a really great choice. Like I said, On our menu, we actually have street corn as a side, but this option will give you an elevated version of it. It's like a deconstructed street corn, but our play on it. What I did is I topped it with a little bit of cotija cheese, which is to me like a Mexican Parmesan cheese. And then we top it with a little bit of smoked paprika. And this is our Heirloom Elote Salad. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button. If there's any dishes that you would like to see me make, put it in the comments below. And if you want to try this dish, check us out at Origen in Dunedin, Florida.